Here's a video of the Horizon CRF-362. This machine's fully refurbished and ready to go. We've got our pile feeder on this end with self-centering guides. Under here's our registration section. There's the vacuum pickup belts, and you can lift this up for easy access, downward pressure adjustment, and a skew adjustment. We've also got an up and a down creasing tool. These are the 1.2 millimeter version. There's also a 0.8 millimeter version, better for thinner stocks. And each tool has a pressure adjustment on either side. And if you have the perf option, you would just change out one of these tools for the perf. Under here we have our fold section, and below that is the fold rollers. There's 3 of those rollers. You can see they're a very large diameter, and that's great for thick stocks. You won't put any curl in the stock at all. On this side we've got our delivery with our gap sets. We'll show those in a second here. Close this up. Here's the operational panel, and this is the normal running screen. I can put in batch counts and change some delays and stuff and see how fast it's running. This is your setup screen, so you would normally just pick your parent sheet size or a custom size and your fold pattern. So this is a half fold, or I can do a letter fold, double parallel, or a gate fold. I've also got this book mode, so that's a perfect bound cover with the corner scores and the hinge scores, with a flap on the first panel and a flap on the back, or 2 flaps. So right now we'll just do a normal half fold. This paper I have is 12.5 inches. And that's it. We'll say okay. And it's telling us where to put our gap set. So it says to put 2 sheets of paper in there and have the knob set to 0. So over here, I've got 2 sheets in there. Knob is set to 0. Same thing on that one. So this is okay. Now it shows us our setup. The blue ones are active, so we're only doing 1 crease at 6 1/4 and 1 fold at 6 1/4. And I can move those with these plus and minus. Right now they're linked, so if I move the fold, the crease will go with it. If I unlink them, then I can move them independently if I need to. I can also turn off the folding altogether, but we'll leave the folding on. And then I have a button here for running just a single sheet or my start and stop. I've also got this feature that shows me what everything is for a new operator, or if you ever have to do something special. So let me go ahead and load up my paper. All right, hopefully you can see that. So I put the self-centering, just brought it right up to the sheet. Now I'll push my single sheet button. It's going to raise the table up and run a single sheet for us. All right, nice accurate fold. See, there's no cracking on that at all. That looks good. If I wanted to adjust it, I could, but I'm happy with it, so I'll just hit start. That's the current speed. I think we're good with that, so I'll hit stop. Clear all these out. Push stop, and I'm going to switch my fold pattern. So say I want to do a letter fold now. I just push letter fold and hit OK. Now it tells me I need 3 sheets in there and go to +2. So I'll do that. Try and do it with one hand. Slip another one in. put my knob at +2. Whoops, that's -2. +2, +2. Okay, and let me lower my table and flip my sheets over. Okay. Run a single one. Okay, that's a tri-fold, letter fold. So very good score, no cracking on there at all. Look at the other one. Very good. If I did have some cracking, I would just bring some more pressure on. And that's it, we'll just hit start. That's it. That's the Horizon CRF-362. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of the machine, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.